TRYP by Wyndham, Times Square South. Located just a 5-minute walk from Penn Station, this contemporary Manhattan hotel features free Wi-Fi and a modern restaurant. Guests can check email and print items from portable tablets. A flat-screen TV and an iPod docking station are included in each bright, trendy room at the TRYP Times Square South. Hardwood floors and a coffee maker are also included. The Gastro Bar at 35th serves a full European breakfast each morning. Spanish tapas and international meals are available through the day, as well as a large selection of wines and beers. Guests at TRYP Times Square are welcome to work out in the 24-hour fitness center, or relax with a drink in the library. Concierge services are also available. The Empire State Building is less than 1.6 kilometers from the Times Square TRYP. Madame Tussauds is an 11-minute walk away. Thanks for watching.